Hello everyone, welcome to Skills Build Training YouTube channel. I am Sanya and this channel is all about showing you how to become an IT pro fast. Today we are going to discuss about how to check if your PC can run Windows 11. Microsoft unveiled the next generation of Windows, Windows 11. The new generation of Windows will succeed Windows 10 and will come as a free upgrade for Windows 10 users. The new version of Windows comes with a redesigned user interface, a new application store, the ability to run Android applications, and many more new features and improvements. Now, since Windows 11 will be a free upgrade for Windows 10 users, your computer requires a minimum configuration to be able to run Windows 11. The minimum requirements are: you need 1 GHz processor or faster with 2 or more cores on a compatible 64-bit processor or system on a chip. 4 GB of RAM is required, while 64 GB or larger storage device is required. And for system firmware, UEFI or secure boot capable is required. Now I am going to check either my PC can run Windows 11 or not. For this, you need to search here for PC Health Check. This is an application from the official site of Windows 11. Here you can see, you can check if this PC meets the system requirements. If it does, you can get the free upgrade when it is available. So now click here on Check Now button, and here you can see, great news, this PC meets all the system requirements for Windows 11 and it is free. We will let you know when it is ready to install. Now, the PC Health Check application from Microsoft was already able to tell if your computer will be able to run Windows 11 or not, but it was initially a pass-fail message with no details. Now, the message on the tool gives you more details as why your computer is not compatible. The PC Health Check application now shows you if there is an issue with your storage, processor, or the secure boot compatibility. So that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you need any help, reach out to us in the comments below. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then please do so by clicking on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you can get notifications of our upcoming video. I'll see you in the next video.